students, now because we have done example related to the first law of motion and second law of motion, so now it comes a turn of this third law of motion too. So let us doing one example related to the third law of motion, that is every action has equal and opposite reaction. So this is the question: a small boy of mass 40 kg collides with a man with a mass of 80 kg. Okay, so here is a boy and a man. So boy is having a mass of 40 kg and here the man is having the 80 kg of mass. Okay, now man is exerting equal and opposite force on a boy. Okay, because both of them are colliding, so they both are applying equal and opposite force according to the third law. Now because the acceleration provided by the boy is 3 meter per second square. Okay, so the acceleration that is built in the body of the boy is 3 meter per second square. We need to find the acceleration provided in the man. Now you need to find the acceleration value that is applicable in the man, that is actually produced in the body of man. Okay, so here is the solution, that the boy and the man is applying equal and opposite force on each other. Okay, so we can say that F1 would be equals to the F2. Now students, because the force that is produced by the boy would be 40 multiplied by 3, that is equivalent to, because here it is mass and mass multiplied by acceleration. You know that the value of force would be equals to mass multiplied by acceleration. So here with this formula we can find the value of the force that is provided by the boy is 120 kg. Now as you know that the force that is provided by the boy and the man is equal, so because that force produced by the man would be equal to 120 kg meter per second square too. And you can take this value as a Newton because this is a standard part, that the kg mass multiplied by acceleration. So kg multiplied by meter per second square we have written here. You can write here Newton too. Okay, so this gives an idea that now because acceleration is equals to force divided by mass, how does it happen? You know that the formula is this. So by this we can take the value of acceleration, but because this mass is multiplying with this acceleration, now if we keep this mass and make it to the other side, so you know that the sign would be changed. If it is multiplying here, then it will become the division form. So here we are having the acceleration value force divided by mass. Now students, you know that the force that is applied by the man and the boy is equal. So that is equals to 120 and the mass of the man would be 80. Okay, so here the cancellation value 0 to 0 is cancelled. Now you are having 12 divided by 8. Fine. So 12 divided by 8 would lead us to some value like if we are dividing it with 2 6 are 12 and 2 4, 2 3 and 2 2. So here 1.5 meter per second square is the value of acceleration that is applied by the man and on its body, that is produced in the body of the man. Okay, so this is how you can find, you can correlate the value of force that is produced in one body to the force that is produced in the another body, and simply by mixing it you can find the value of acceleration with the formula force is equals to mass multiplied by acceleration.